everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a quick and easy project here to share because it is getting closer to Christmas, and I think I told you in the last video we were going to do some more quick and easy. These are like stocking stuffers, last minute gifts for like teachers and for classrooms. They're really fast and easy to do. And with 2 weeks away, we need to get busy. All right, so this is what I'm sharing right here. It's so cute and it's super simple. It holds 3 mini Ghirardellis, but I'm going to show you some other stuff that you can put in it as well. So I am using these little mini ones. I always love making these for like stocking stuffers or like my grandkids, and even for like nursing homes or a teacher gift. It's just really cute. So we're going to use 3 in this, but like I said, I'll show you a few other things to use. What I'm using for this is very limited supplies, is the So Very Merry, and I'm using it for 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly. If you have the Brightest Glow already, which has a ton of sentiments, you can use any of those, and then the tailor-made tags for the little tag. I'm also using the metallic woven ribbon, and this one is in Parakeet Party, but it matches this paper really good. And the paper is a walk in the park. Is it a walk in the park? No, a walk in the forest. I couldn't remember this. This is one of the give back products that Stampin' Up! Has. They give to charity when you purchase this designer series paper. So it's a really good cause. All right, so we are going to go ahead and stamp first. So I'm going to use just some basic white. I like using the thick on these tags because it really stands out really nice. And I'm going to use some shaded spruce. Sorry, I'm dropping everything over here. If you saw my desk, you would know why. I've got so many projects going. All right, so we are going to just do the 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly. I love that sentiment, and it's so cute, and it just fit this project, I thought. All right, I'm going to get my mini cut and emboss up here, and we're going to cut this. I love this little thing, and I love bringing it up here because it fits on my desk so good, and it's just so cute. All right, so I always use the number 4. And then I use the number 1, and I use this plate right here. And then we are going to set this on here. I'm going to try to do it without my mint tape, and then I'll put this on top, and we will run that through. And it's as easy as that. That little mini one is so cute. It also, we have it in Balmy Blue as well. All right, so there you go. It's all ready to go, so now we just need to do our box. Okay, so we are going to use a piece of old olive. The matting pieces are 4 3/4 by 2 3/8, and then 7/8 by 4 3/4. Y'all, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and share with all your friends because that would really help my channel, and I would really appreciate it. So thank you so much for doing that, all of you who are already doing that, so thank you. All right, so let's get going on this. We are going to score on the 7-inch side at 1, 1 1/2, 4, and 4 1/2. That's it. Okay, so let's sharpen all these score marks. And then what we're going to do is we're going to mat these. I'm going to round the corners first of this top piece because this is the top flap. And then I'm going to do the same with this. Just round those corners. And then we'll mat this one. I think I'll use my wet glue. By the way, everybody, I've had quite a few people asking about the glue. So everything in the description that I use that is not Stampin' Up! Is down in the description. So you can find all those supplies in there. And then we're going to do the front of this. And we're going to mat that front piece. I'm not matting the back, but if you like to, you can just cut 2 of these pieces. All right, so to keep my Ghirardelli in there, I just use my Stampin' Seal Plus. You can use glue dots, but I just run a piece here, and it comes off really easy, so they can get it off really easy. It's not like it's hard to get off. So we're going to put 3 in here, but I want to show you first the other things that you can put in here. So you can put these Hershey's mini bars. You can put 2 of these in here, and you can put them side by side like that. You can also put, I had a Reese's cup up here. The Reese's, I don't know what I did with it, but you can fit a Reese cup in here as well. Oh, here it is. One of these, and you can fit that in here. Anything that's like a 1/2 inch thick, you can fit in there. A little mini candy bar, anything like that will fit in here. But I love these little minis. And you can get them all different flavors, these minis. All right, so what I do next is I'm going to find the halfway point with my ruler here on the top. So it's 5 inches, so it's 2 1/2. So I'm just going to put a dot here, but I'm going to put one at 2 1/4 and 2 3/4. And it's just going to give me a point where I'm going to punch this. I just like it to be perfect. You can eyeball it, y'all. So we're going to do right in the middle, and then you can just erase your dots when you're done. So I got 2 there, and then to do the bottom part, just make sure this is nice and square. And then just put the little dots there, and then just punch these. All right, we're going to grab our ribbon, metallic ribbon. This does fray on the end, so be real careful when you're putting it on. I just have to kind of roll the end to get it through, but it goes through really easy because these holes are. And then you just want enough to be able to tie a nice bow. So you're going to put it through this bottom part first, and then you're just going to run it through the top. This is one you can have your kids or grandkids even help you make. Just like that. I'm going to pull this really tight, and then I'm going to grab my little tag right here. Probably got really bright in here. It's been really dull and dreary today, but all of a sudden the sun came out. All right, and then we're going to just tie a bow. You just tie it. This really ties a cute bow. I really like the bows on this one. And I like to leave these a little bit longer on this. Just really cute to have the ribbon a little bit longer. And it's sparkly, this ribbon. That's why I wanted to add a little festivity to it. So there you have it. Super quick and easy. And that is all that's to it, y'all. I hope you enjoy this one because it's really easy. You can add any kind of candy you like. But it's just a really good one for classrooms or, like I said, nursing homes or anything like that. I hope you all have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. And with my host code this month, I'm doing free gift with purchase again. So if you have to use the host code to get the free gift, I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. And I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.